.com Pal provides you everything to build your online business and take it to the next level. Now, let me give you a quick walkthrough of this amazing technology. Once you log in to .com Pal with the credentials you must have received in your inbox, you reach the dashboard of .com Pal Business. For the same, first, we recommend you to update your profile details by clicking on this profile icon and then View Profile. Just click on this edit icon and fill the required details here and click on Save. Now, let's go for the general settings first. For the same, you need to click on this settings icon and then .com Pal Settings. You will reach here. You can see a few tabs here. First one is General, where you can attach your social media accounts and you can check the account activity also under Sessions. User Profile is the same, which we have seen under Profile section. In Security, you can set a few alerts to secure your business. Also, you can change the password here. You can customize the notifications about your team members here in Notification tab. Team Management allows you to create sub-users so that you can distribute the work in your team and restrict the permissions for various roles and requirements. Subscription shows details regarding your current plan and payment history. Let's move on to Business Settings. You can see the business profile here. Details are filled already as you have entered these earlier. If you want to edit anything, you can do that too. To integrate your autoresponder, CRM, and webinar accounts, you need to go to Integration tab. To run your .com Pal business on a custom domain, you can get the CNAME details here. Oh, and how can we forget about SEO and marketing campaigns? Don't worry, my friend. .com Pal comes with inbuilt SEO. You just need to define a few details here, and it will be set on autopilot. Isn't it amazing? Absolutely it is. This bell icon is to show you notification for the activities, updates from our end, and changes made by your team members. And we will not leave you alone in case you face any issues. This support center is always there to help you out. Also, you can see an option as .com Pal Guide, so that you can start this walkthrough video step-by-step wizard anytime you need. Now again, we are on the dashboard of .com Pal. Here, you need to create a project first. Project is basically to group all your marketing campaigns. And with the help of these projects, you can manage, analyze those campaigns easily. You can create your first project from here. Let's move on to videos. You can upload a video here, and later on you can manage all your videos also in this section. Under this campaign tab, you can see a section named as Comments, which shows comments or reviews received for your videos from your audience. This analytics section shows you the detailed stats of all your campaigns here. What do you think, my friend? Isn't it a power-packed performance for a tool? And I am not done yet. Moving on to the next tab, that is Audience. In simple words, it is the section which shows you all of your business audience, including visitors on your video page, your subscribers, etc. You can have access of your audience journey, what they are feeling interested and what is not, what exactly they are looking for, what ways they are opting to fulfill their requirements. You can create segments for your visitors according to their behavior in your business. .com Pal gives you the power to track and save all the details of visitors, like IP address, name, email, location, technology behavior, and much more. You can also track your audience with their technology and location, which one they are using to watch videos, view your website pages, and all the other marketing campaigns. Now, turning to accounts, this is exactly your known business audience. You get advanced single account system in .com Pal, where you can see their journey with your business. You can analyze according to their journey, which can help you to strategize your business. My Drive section. This is a centralized media cloud for uploading and managing all types of files, including images, documents, audios, videos, folder, etc. You can organize files and use a search bar or filters to find specific files. You can copy and move single or multiple files in a folder. You can also set a status for any individual file as public, private, or password protected. I am sure that you are aware about the importance of analytics or stats for your campaigns and want to see how these are performing. So here you can see the detailed performance report for all your audience and videos according to their behavior and technology. Even you can compare your different strategies that which one is performing in a better way. So, my friend,